Is it possible to make $1 million on YouTube with a channel about nothing? And luckily, this video isn't just nothing. By you watching this video, you're able to get $20 off your Huel purchase. I have the link listed below in the description. And I gotta say, I'm a huge fan of Huel. I've mentioned it on this channel a lot as I used to drive for Uber and Lyft. And when I did, I'd have powdered food with me. Way cheaper and also way healthier and more efficient. That if, like, say I'm driving, I want to pull over, have a nice, high quality, healthy meal, boom, it's right there. I also travel a lot. And so any single time I'm traveling, boom, I have Huel. I'm not gonna lie, when I say I think I've probably purchased Huel more than almost any other product, as I have it daily, I have it when I'm traveling, I have it as it has very high quality ingredients, macro and micronutrients, and is super healthy for you. And by you watching this video, and if you want to click the link in the description, you're able to get $20 off your Huel order.